Hi there, this is Stephen. Come and join me and let us explore Siargao. This is my first solo travel where I meet a lot of people from the locals to foreigners and likewise other Filipino tourists. I will be sharing you some tips I got from this experience. This is just my first day at Siargao and watch out for my next videos as I do island hopping at Daco, Naked and Guyam Island, likewise swimming with stingless jellyfish at Bucas Grande and cliff jumping at Sugba Lagoon. I took a plane from Cebu to Siargao, and from the airport at Del Carmen going to General Luna, you can just look for a van to transport you. They are available at the entrance of the airport, so wag ka na mag-alala, and it's only 300 pesos. Wherever your accommodation is, be sure to coordinate that with the driver as they usually deliver the passengers from door to door. It's almost a 1-hour travel from the airport to General Luna. I booked at Kawili Beach Resort for 5 days and 4 nights for only 2,600 pesos. I choose their bunk beds to get myself acquainted with other tourists and likewise save for my trip. They have good and clean comfort rooms as their staff would visit it from time to time. They also offer lockers and a free pool. This is just a walking distance from the beach and other bars and restaurants. After getting myself settled, I took a lunch at Homemade Taste restaurant, which usually takes a bunch of customers during nighttime, and get to taste their affordable and sobrang sarap na pagkain. After kumain ng sobrang busog, I then went back to the resort to get my things ready for the surfing adventure and took a short nap. At around 3 or 4 in the afternoon para hindi na mainit, I then hired a motorcycle driver to transport me going to the famous surfing spot, the Cloud9, for only 20 pesos. Since this is my first time to do the surfing, I want someone to help me and assist me on how it should be done. Well, at the entrance of Cloud9, you will already notice a lot of locals asking if you want to surf, and they usually ask the same rate. It's 200 pesos for the rental of the surfboard, and if you want a private instructor, they usually cost 300 pesos an hour. Pwede ka rin magpa-picture or video sa kanila, that is another 300 pesos per hour. They usually teach you the basics at the beach side before doing the real thing. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. The best way to do this according to them is to do a push-up at first, then lift your left leg if you're a right-handed person, have it placed at the middle of the board around 45 degrees, and lift the other leg around 90 degrees as your support. Try to balance with your hands and legs, then fall to the water, having your back first. You got to let it go. Sa mga mahilig ma-fall at magpa-fall dyan, they always advise to fall to the water having your back first, that is for safety reasons. Medyo nakakapagod lang bumalik ulit sa gitna, pero kung master mo na, mawawala na ang pagod at sakit dahil ikaw naman ay masaya. You got to let it go. This is just a friendly reminder. The seafloor is a mix of sand, corals, and rocks that might injure you during your fall. Take this man as an example. He injured his head that makes him unconscious after he fell directly at the seafloor, maybe because he didn't follow the instructions given, that is to fall to the water having your back first, or it was his first time doing the surfing and didn't get an instructor to teach him. Be careful when doing the surfing. Your life matters. For more fun-filled adventures, travel tips, and more of Siargao, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for notification of my latest videos. This has been Stephen. Thank you so much. God bless and have a nice day ahead.